panelists for today's session.
Thank you for having me.
You're welcome. So can you tell us what it takes to be a 3D game developer without coding?
Yeah, it takes a lot to be a 3D game developer. However, like I said in the panel, is to start. You're never too old, too young to start. Yeah, there are a lot of challenges when it comes to financially. However, when you start, like fellows philosopher always say, when the student is willing, the teacher will appear. So therefore, it's a journey process, and a lot of Nigerians are welcome.
Now there's this myth that only kids should learn how to game. Now me, with my level of time factor constraint, is it possible for me to be a 3D dev?
Like you said, the best time to start a program is yesterday, and the second best time is today. It's never too late. However, people don't have that notion because game industry requires time, because a lot of process, a lot of workflow into them. However, when you start today, you tend to achieve a lot with the right guidance and the right program. So therefore, kids are best to start game development, but regardless of age. The current mentor I'm following started game development at 32. Yes. So therefore, it is never too late to monetize your skill sets.
Thank you very, very much. I think I would think about being a 3D developer. So this is one of our panelists for today's session. He is a 3D game developer without coding. So it means there are other ways you can actually do what you're supposed to do and do it better without being on the back end. Thank you very much for
Thank you for
this
having me.
session. You're welcome. Have a nice day.
I'm grateful.